Hello, this is the Tradesight US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, May 17th, 2017. Hope you're having a good week. Actually, let's go look at what we always start with, which is the ES front month futures contract, daily chart of the broad market. Again, not doing much, where we were 3 months ago. Dead flat look at this, if you look at the last 3 weeks, we're in a 20-point range on the ES. Horrible, horrible, horrible action. Crude oil, let's go through all the majors and then we'll look at the intraday action. Crude oil down 37 cents to 48.27. Gold up 640 to 1236.40. The S&P cash index lost a point, still in that narrow range. There's also a 13 sell signal on the cash index, so both of them have that sell signal. NASDAQ 100 gains about 20 points, new closing high there. Why not? You got Google up 5 and Amazon up 8. We'll look at that in a minute. That's what does it. Again, just the 5 stocks that keep pushing the market along. Stocks up 15. Biotech's up 11.29, but still operating under that 13 sell signal from back in February, March, I guess. The VIX gains back 23 cents, still sitting at 1065. This is the problem. Continues to be the low volatility index here. Trend at 1.15, the 10-day moving average at 0.96. NASDAQ volume 1.8 billion. That's the 10-day moving average, a little bit better than the last 3 days. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, literally -8. 8 more stocks down than up on the NASDAQ, -303 on the New York. So breadth in the market was negative. Again, Google up 539, new closing high in Google. Apple down 23 cents, still very near the highs, obviously. Amazon up $8.10, because why not? Let's shoot for 1,000 on Amazon. Netflix down 61 cents. Tesla up $1.13, very near the highs. 20-year bond ETF, the TLT up, closed up 45 cents at 121.51. Dow Jones literally down 2 points. Goldman Sachs back up 48. Still holding that risk line of that 13 buy signal there. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. So here's the 5-minute chart. So far this week, what do we have? We have a gap up and a strong push up. We had a great trading day on Monday. And then a gap up and a push lower. A little less interesting on Tuesday. But if you look at still, just those opening basically 40 minutes each day is the action. And if you look at all the rest of the Monday, Tuesday so far, it's just dead flat. It's still suffering from a lack of volatility and no afternoon action, that's for sure. Afternoons are hazardous right now. You got to be real careful trading the afternoons. There's not much else to say, so let's just take a look at the data coming out tomorrow, which isn't much either. Got the MBA mortgage applications index at 7 a.m. Eastern time. And you got the weekly crude oil inventories number at 10:30. Of course, the bombs continue to drop in Washington. New news reported tonight about things Trump may or may not have done. So far, the market's not that excited about any of it. So again, until we get some action, what are we really looking at here? We have no clarity out of the federal government about budgets, no clarity about where things are going in the markets. So far, no changes either, which is probably the best sign. So the economy can continue to grow at the pace it would have, as nothing's changed. There's no budgetary changes really. There's nothing to speak of here. They haven't passed a darn thing. So once they do, we'll see if that ends up being good or bad. But at this moment, I don't think anybody knows what that's going to look like. And maybe nothing gets done at all. Maybe that's sometimes the best thing. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.